Hi, I'm Meghna Mane. I'm the Chief Operations Officer at SR Gopal Rao Opticians. So I have been dispensing eyeglasses for a really long time, and I keep coming across different people who have different requirements. What are the popular questions? Shapes, sizes, colors, brands, and occasion-based eyeglasses. With the help of few people who have been patrons of SR Gopal Rao, and they are here today to help me demonstrate this to you. So this is styling session part 4, and I have Sitara here with me. Sits actually has her own, again, she has her own business, she has her own studio, and for her eyeglasses have also been quite important.
Eye and my sunglasses are very important to me.
Yeah.
A good fitted one, It's going to be long lasting and it's going to be with you in style and durability for a long time.
Fair enough, yeah. So actually when Sitara had come to me, she had told me this, that she wanted something that is easy to maintain, something that will last long. So for Sitara, what we had looked at is something that you can wear every day, and then one that she could wear for occasions, like when she goes out for an event or a party or like a Indian outfit.
Yes.
You're not a contact lens wearer.
No, I cannot. I cannot wear the contacts. So I prefer wearing the specs at all times.
Right. Yeah. So for her, even with the Indian outfits, Western outfits, she wanted something that would look good when you're wearing it there.
Exactly.
Yeah. So that's why we introduced a little bit of gold.
Gold in that.
The bling. Yeah. What kind of glasses would suit Sitara? Sitara's got a long face. Right. And it's a narrow face but a long face. So we picked out glasses which are actually quite tall. Something which is tall, because she can pull it off. She's got enough place to play with.
Yeah.
And Sitara, the good thing is that she doesn't hesitate with color.
Yeah,
she's quite bold that. Yeah,
exactly.
This is one thing that we picked. So what we looked for was this fit, this width, and then the depth over here, and then at the end of the day, it should go well around the ear.
Yes.
So it's sitting well on the nose as well as the height. So if you have a long face, you can definitely pick out styles which are tall. You don't need to hesitate with the size of your frame. Another pair that we picked out for Sits was this from Longchamp. Why I like this, I think I've showed this in another video as well. I love this because of the color and the shape as well. So we felt like this will look great. Again, if you're wearing it with Indian outfits, this is something that will look really good. Yeah, because it's got this very subtle gold detailing and the rim, which is there. And like we said, Sitara doesn't mind playing with colors. So then we picked out a red for Sitara. Okay, so that's great. If you're someone who likes colors, then don't hesitate to play with colors. Go safe on the shape, but mix it up with colors. So this is a safe shape, because it's cat eye or butterfly shape. Yeah, but the color is gold.
Gold.
It's like a red, really nice. In fact, I think this is something we should
next time. Next time we should.
Okay, so this being a very safe shape, only and safe style because of its color, the shape. And it's got a little gold detailing, which is trendy right now, very trendy. So don't hesitate to pick styles that have gold in it. Color, you can always mix it with a tortoise brown or a black, and shapes like this are very safe to play with. So yeah, this looks really good on Sits, and I would give her something like this to wear for everyday use also, only because the materials are so strong and good. And I know this is something that will pull through for a good number of your friends. So yeah, don't hesitate with price either, because I see sometimes people hesitating with the price. But when you have a good pair of eyeglasses, something which is comfortable to wear, don't hesitate to play with the price. You have good stuff starting from even 5,000 or 6,000 rupees, going up to about 12,000 rupees. Really nice stuff. So yeah, thank you Sits.
Thank you
for being here and being a part of this. Thank you.